Hi guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple crumble. You're only going to need about 6 ingredients. Most of them you already have at home. You're going to need 6 apples, and then you're going to need to cut them this small, and you're also going to need to take off the skin. That's what I'm doing right now because my mum says that it tastes better without the skin. So after I cut all these apples up, I'm going to put them into water and then
While you cut your apples, you'll need to gather these items: cinnamon, brown sugar, plain flour, white sugar, and butter. You can see I'm removing the middle and all the yucky seeds.
It's hard for me to say you love.
Now I'm just slicing them into little pieces, and then I'll place them into the pot of water so that they are not to go brown. Once you have cut up all your apples, you want to empty your water out. It's okay if there's a little bit of water, we kind of need it because we're going to be cooking the pot on the stove now. You want to put your stove on medium to high heat with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and brown sugar. And you're going to stir it for 5 to 7 minutes. While the apples are cooking on the stove top, we are going to be making the crumble with 250 grams of sugar and butter and 350 grams of flour. Then you want to mix together well with your fingers so that you create the crumble. You want to empty your apples after 5 to 7 minutes so that there is no water, and then empty it into the plate that you're going to be putting in the oven. Make sure to get every single apple out. Now we're adding the crumble base on top, and then you can choose to flatten it down if you want to.
You want to put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius to cook for 45 minutes.
And this is the result, a yummy apple pie / crumble that you can have with ice cream or just cream or even custard. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.